Hi,
Hello.
how are you guys?
Good, how are you today?
I'm good. Let me see the key. Alright, so it just stopped turning basically.
Yeah, it just won't turn.
Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rebuild your ignition switch. It's a pretty common issue with Hondas. Probably gonna take me like 30 minutes to an hour. Cool. Basically what happens is with those Hondas not sitting flush as the rest of them. So basically I'm not gonna replace just this one, I'm gonna replace all of them. They are all sitting flush, nothing is sticking out. Alright, you're all set.